42.
42.
42.
La visite de la ville.
City tour.
City tour.
Est-ce que le marché est ouvert le dimanche?
Is the market open on Sundays?
Is the market open on Sundays?
Est-ce que la foire est ouverte le lundi?
Is the fair open on Mondays?
Is the fair open on Mondays?
Est-ce que l'exposition est ouverte le mardi?
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
Le zoo ouvre-t-il le mercredi?
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
Le musée ouvre-t-il le jeudi?
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
La galerie ouvre-t-elle le vendredi?
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
Peut-on photographier?
Can one take photographs?
Can one take photographs?
L'entrée est-elle payante?
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
Combien coûte l'entrée?
How much is the entrance fee?
How much is the entrance fee?
Y a-t-il une réduction pour les groupes?
Is there a discount for groups?
Is there a discount for groups?
Y a-t-il une réduction pour les enfants?
Is there a discount for children?
Is there a discount for children?
Y a-t-il une réduction pour les étudiants?
Is there a discount for students?
Is there a discount for students?
Quel est ce bâtiment?
What building is that?
What building is that?
De quand date ce bâtiment?
How old is the building?
How old is the building?
Qui a construit ce bâtiment?
Who built the building?
Who built the building?
Je m'intéresse à l'architecture.
I'm interested in architecture.
I'm interested in architecture.
Je m'intéresse à l'art.
I'm interested in art.
I'm interested in art.
Je m'intéresse à la peinture.
I'm interested in paintings.
I'm interested in paintings.